In the xy plane, line S passes through the point 0, 0 and is parallel to the line represented by the equation y equals to 18x positive 2. If line S also passes through the point 4, d, what is the value of d? Line S is parallel to the line for which we have the equation y equals to 18x positive 2. Since line S and this line are parallel, the slopes of these two lines must be equal. And the equation of the given line over here is in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. At the place of m we have 18, that is the slope of the given line is 18. Then the slope of the line S is also the same 18 because the lines are parallel. Okay, now let me write the equation of line S in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. At the place of m, we can write the slope 18, that is y equals to 18x positive b. Here I got the equation of line S, but it contains an unknown constant b. We know that this b represents a y coordinate of the y-intercept of line S. Since line S passes to the point 0, 0, the line S intersects the y-axis at this point 0, 0. So we can consider this 0, 0 as y-intercept of the line S. So the y-coordinate of the y-intercept is 0. That is, the value of this b is 0. When I plug in 0 for b, I am getting the equation y equals to 18x. Now the equation of line S is complete. And let's consider the information we have over here. That is, line S also passes the point 4, d. Since line S passes to this point 4, d, we can plug in this x coordinate 4 for x over here and y coordinate d for y over here. Then we have d equals to 18 times 4. D equals to 18 times 4 is 72. Here I got the value of d, that is 72. I find 72 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.